Hello everyone and welcome to this video. Today we're going to be talking about the Real Fantasy Derek Dildo. So let's get started. So this is the Derek Dildo itself. Now as you can see, the Derek Dildo has a really realistic design. It's also made of a PVC material which is soft and flexible as well. As you can see, the Derek has a slightly curved shape, so it follows the shape of your body as well. It also features a realistic ballsack, a veiny shaft, which is very stimulating with the different textures, and a rounded head just there as well. It's also suitable for both vaginal and anal stimulation. It features a strong suction cup at the bottom, and this means it's also suitable for a strap-on. Because of the strong suction cup, you can enjoy hands-free stimulation anytime, anywhere. When using this dildo, we'd recommend to use a water-based lubricant for extra comfort during use. And of course, make sure to clean after every use, and for this we'd recommend to use a toy cleaner and lukewarm water. Alternatively, you can also use a mild antibacterial soap and lukewarm water as well. And that is the Real Fantasy Derek Dildo. If you have any questions, drop a comment below and we will get back to you as soon as possible. Thank you so much for watching, and we'll see you again next time.